Maybe we should fix that. Wow, I'm probably putting on some lip gloss. Alright. Then we're good to go now.
I've been blessed up, I've been broke down. Gotta catch up, gotta shine now. Running faster, I can't slow down.
What's up, guys? It's Jada. Oh, girl. I'm currently in my bathroom at the moment with dirty, big hair here. So today we're just gonna do something different. I'm gonna show you guys my winter curly hair routine because in the winter time, I don't know what y'all, my hair get dry, it get nasty, it get dusty, and it's not even cute no more, and it make your girl want to just put it in the soap. And I'm gonna show y'all what I do to my hair in the winter time. When I first washed my hair, it was probably like this, and then it just exploded. Do your hair do that? No? Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Christian TV for more videos like this. While I'm doing my hands like this. That's great. Okay. I'm gonna see y'all. So I'm just gonna take this ponytail out, you know, don't judge. If you're natural then you know what's about to happen. My hair don't come straight down. When it's up like this, it's gonna stay up. It's been in this hair tie all week. Did I brush? No, I brushed my edges. I brushed my edges, see. I don't be neglecting my hair all the time. Wow, you see what happens when I take it out. Wow, let's just shake that out so we can look a little decent. I look like one of the Jacksons. So this is my hair when I take it out of the hair tie. Scalp is itching and my hair is stretched and dry. I like to detangle my hair before I get it under the water. I look like the Mad Hatter. This is the first YouTube video that you're gonna see. Probably in the first one of the videos you're gonna see that I don't wash my hair in the shower because I don't like hair on my body. I don't like hair in general, but that's a whole nother story. And I want to show y'all my products that I use for my hair because I'm sure you today for my hair I'm going to be using a bunch of Aussie products. No, this video is not sponsored by Aussie whatsoever, but Aussie, if you want to give me a call, I'm right here. I'm gonna just be in my bathroom. Right? I am currently going to wash with shampoo just because my hair is dirty, but I only wash my hair with shampoo probably once a month. I'll wash my hair with conditioner just to refresh my curl. I try to do it once a week. That's a good week, but the latest I'll do is every 2 weeks. The conditioner that I use is Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner, and this is the avocado oil conditioner. I love this. I'm almost out of this because I love Aussie. Aussie is the only brand that does not dry my hair. I use this to wash my hair and to style my hair. So we're gonna be using this. When I come back, I'm gonna deep condition my hair. But let's just stick to the first step, right? Alright, y'all, so I'm back. Oh, I didn't even show y'all my shampoo that I use. Got shampoo all on it, my bad. It's the Miracle Moist shampoo, the avocado oil again by Aussie. Hello. And I put it in this towel here. I'm gonna take it out. And there we have it, some luscious, clean curls, period. So what I do is I part my hair. I do 4 sections because my hair is pretty thick. So I'm gonna come back when my hair is parted in 4 sections. So what I do, I get a spray bottle and I spray my hair first because I don't want my hair to dry up while I'm putting the product in. And I just brush it out gently, my dears, gently. Start from the ends and go up. Y'all know y'all been natural, but I don't know how long. Y'all know we was all watching them naturally. So y'all know what to do. I'm shedding a lot. It's just shedding because it hasn't been combed. So once I got my hair all combed out, I put the deep conditioner in. I part this section, and the deep conditioner I'm gonna be using this Aussie again Miracle Curls Nourishing Hair Mask with Australian jojoba oil and coconut oil. And I'll be back when I get this all through the rest of my hair. Alexa, pause. Alright, so now that I'm done, I'm gonna put it in a shower cap. Then I'm gonna sit under the dryer just so this can heat up fast because I need extra heat here for about 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back after I rinse my hair. And then I'm gonna come back in here. And I'm gonna show y'all what I do when I'm done washing it. This is great. This is absolutely great. It smells good. Can I just like... I really don't want to rinse this out because it looks pretty. Alright y'all, we are at the final step. I rinsed out my deep conditioner. So what I do for my hair is I split it in my 4 sections. And then to style my hair, my Miracle Moist conditioner. And I put this all through my hair along with some type of oil. I had oil by Aussie, but it ran out. So, and then we're gonna use my curl refresher by Aussie. This is what I use on the daily when my hair is crusty and dirty and my curls starting to turn frizzy. This is all I use. Period. That is my curly hair routine. By the end of the week, my hair will probably be up in a pineapple or something. But that's cool, that's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will talk to you guys in our next video.